Hi everyone, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel Victoria Mandala Art, and just grab any kind of paper or small piece of paper, like I have taken a post-it and any pen which you have right in front of you, and arbitrarily draw any figures that comes to your mind. This is the first session that I have started of meditative art, and mandala is a form of meditative art. So it's not necessary that you have to know how to draw. You can draw whatever pattern that comes in your mind and just draw for yourself. You are drawing this because to calm down your mind and focus on something. So just fill up this small piece of paper with whatever figures, whatever geometric figures or any kind of floral art that you want to draw, and just concentrate on the aspects of the drawing, just the minute and the delicate part of the drawing. So you're just trying to focus, just trying to bring all your thoughts to one thing, and in this way you can just do meditation and relax your mind and also accumulate your thoughts. Okay, so just be along with me in this session and try to draw the figures as I'm drawing along with me, so that you can also benefit from it. This is a challenge that I have taken up as a 365 days 365 post-it. So it will hardly take around 10 minutes for you all to make such patterns in a small post-it like this. And it's not necessary that you have to give hours into this mandala art. So you can draw this wherever you are, even if in the office or in your home, or if you are in a classroom. If you're a student, you can do this because it will help you to manage your stress and help you to concentrate on your studies better. So apart from the mandala art that I'm going to teach, you can also join with me every day for 10 minutes like this for a post-it, and benefit from it. See, I have just drawn the flower first and then that curvy line with the ball. Then I try to fill up the flowers, and gradually the next moment I don't know what I'll draw. So I just want to make some small leaves so that it looks great. So in this way you can do your own pattern, whatever comes to your mind, and be creative. This, you are drawing this for your own sake, and no matter how bad you draw, just draw for yourself. Okay, so I hope that you will be along with me for this challenge of 365 days 365 post-it, and I want to know from your feedback. So just don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also share and like my channel, and please leave your suggestions in the comment box. And thank you so much. Take care.